Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Buds and a Huawei smartphone, and I'm going to show you how you can easily pair these buds to your Huawei smartphone. So at the first we have to open the Bluetooth on our Huawei. And right now open the charging case of Galaxy Buds. And we have to wait until they pops on the available devices, and here they are. So just simply tap on them and they are pairing, so we have to accept the pair right here. And as you can see right now they are connected. So that's how we can pair Galaxy Buds to your Huawei smartphone. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!